Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to tell y'all about one of my favorite lipsticks. It's the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the color Beauty Mark. I got this one because I wanted a brown lipstick, kind of like the ones that they used to wear in the 90s. I wanted like a dark brown lipstick, and I found this one, and I just think that it is so cute. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now. But let me open it up and show you what it looks like. So this is what the little dooley looks like. And you just apply it, and it is matte. So it does dry matte. So it's not glossy, which is what I like about it. So I love the way that it looks on my lips. I think it gives me that vibe that I wanted it to have. And I would highly recommend it. If you're looking for a brown lipstick like this, this is a good one. And that's my point of view.